Hi, Legal Top Notchers. Welcome to another episode of Legal Minds with Digital Top Notch Legal. For the purposes of those that are joining us for the first time, my name is Ifeoma Nwabara, your top-notch legal practitioner. In today's episode, we'll be talking about power of attorney, the duties, responsibilities, and rights of the attorney. I have a client here in the chamber that came for this purpose. When he now asked me this question, I said, wait, I need to record this so that my legal top notchers will benefit from it. Please, I hope you wouldn't mind if I record this.
Of course, it's my pleasure.
Oh, thank you so much. You can now ask the question again.
Barrister, I want to give your firm attorney of my estate. Please, what are the duties, responsibilities, and rights over this power of attorney?
Okay. Our duty when you give this firm the power to act on your estate and represent you legally, it means that this firm has the duty to act honestly and in good faith and in the best interest of you whom I am representing. I also have to exercise the care and due diligence in all I will do. So, you need to draft an agreement with us where we will agree on how the power of attorney will go, so that I will act within the authority you have given to me in this agreement of power of attorney, and to keep the prescribed records and produce the record for you anytime you request for it for inspection. I think you know that this power of attorney you are asking for or you are requesting for is a revocable power of attorney. You can revoke it anytime. You can say you don't want the estate, the firm to go on managing your estate anytime, any day. Do you understand? Okay, because we also have irrevocable power of attorney. That one is the one which you cannot revoke because you parted with money. In law, we will call it consideration. Do you understand? Once you have given a consideration in buying a property, that one is irrevocable. Do you understand? So when the papers and agreements have been completed, it's yours and you have the right to sell and do whatever you want to do with it. So the one we are talking about today is revocable power of attorney. You understand? So we will talk about the duties and responsibilities we have to represent in your state. Do you understand? I hope you are getting it.
Yes, Barrister.
Okay. So we have the duty to sell, to mortgage, to change or transfer the property to designated recipients, depending on if you agree with us that we should do so. Also, this chamber has the duty, if you give it to us, if it's necessary that we proceed against trespass on those estates, we can also sue, we can defend all proceedings in respect of your estate. We will do things necessary for the proper management of the property, like collecting rent, all payments, accept, surrender of leases and tenancies, and all other things that you wish us to do in your estate. So, as we do all these things, we have 10% of the money generated from your property or from your estate. It's part of the things we are going to pen down in the power of attorney agreement. I urge legal top-notchers to call on a property lawyer to manage your property if you are finding it difficult to manage your property. So when you do that, just go and sleep and the lawyer will certainly work hard to recover your money and then drink Panadol on your behalf. Wow, it's been a great day and we are coming to the end of this episode. But before we call it a day, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Also, comment and share. Thank you so much for being in today's Lego Man. Yeah, I remember my client. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, barrister.
Wow. To all my legal top-notchers, remember to always be legally minded and legally guided as you go about your activities of the week. Cheers.